Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from VIVO Y19s to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. Start by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then hit confirm at the bottom. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now it's time to tap on wherever you want to in all the other ones. When you're ready, select Send at the bottom left corner of VIVO and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on VIVO, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In Contacts and Files categories, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access your files. And when you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any apps, you need to hit OK in the pop-up. Now tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip 1 and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive button. Then wait. Close ads. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!